Hi, in this video let me draw this part model. Select the part drawing and go for front plane. Select that one and go normal to enable the plane. We are going to start from the front view. Front view is a square. Just you draw a square with approximate size. This one is a square and dimensions are 75mm length and 75mm height. Now we are going to draw the arc here. This one is the arc with radius 56. Go for dimension, give the value of 56. Now trim the unwanted lines. This is my record shape. Now I am going to extrude this one. Go for future, extrude, and length of 14mm. Yeah. Now you select the back surface to draw this one. Go and select the surface. See, we are going to draw this. For that we are going to draw a square with the shape of 75 and make this fillet of radius 26. Go for fillet and select the same radius of 26. Now you should draw the cut here. Go and select the rectangle and draw the rectangle here and give the dimensions of 20mm from one end, and this end to this line is 20mm, and next this length is 21mm, and trim the unwanted line here. Just draw a line on the unwanted line. Our record left side view is ready. Just we want to go for extrude here. Length of 14mm. Just go extrude and give the dimensions of 14mm. And give OK. That's all. Our front view and left side view is over. Just go for the top view and select the top surface. For draw the top surface, go and select the sketch and select the circle and draw the two circles with the concentric. The diameter of 22 and diameter of 44mm. Go for smart dimension and give the dimensions for two circles. 44mm and inner dia is 22mm. And the center should be left side end is 22mm. Give that value and draw the line here. Just select the line and draw from here to this circle. This should be tangent and the other line should be drawn here. Just select that end and draw the line up to the next end. And now we want to make this tangent, so you select the circle and hold the control button and select the line. Make these two a tangent. Now trim the unwanted lines. This end is I don't want and this one is I don't want. Just you trim that. Now you close the profile. Draw the line at the bottom. Without closing this, we cannot go for the extrude. our profile is ready. Now we should go for extrude. Go for features, extrude to 14 millimeter. Now you change the direction here and give OK. That's all. Our picture is ready. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.